Well, we are so proud at HSN to be able to offer you the #1 selling brand of brightening products around the entire world in the prestige market, Shiseido. And we have, of that #1 brand, their #1 best-selling product ever. This is it. This is their bestseller. Think of all of the products Shiseido offers. This is their #1 bestseller. It's item number 138595. It's $125 free shipping. 4 flexible payments are available for $31.25 a month on your credit card. Here's the story. We have had such a jump start on all of the orders, or you have, frankly, that we already have fewer than 1,000 of these to go around. It was saved for this show. We don't even have 1,000 of these to go around. And talk about taking that 30-day challenge. If you want your skin to look brighter, to look more porcelain and alabaster, this is going to be the most concentrated of all of the brightening products from Shiseido around the world. That's why it's their bestseller. And again, 4 flex payments means July, August, September, October. By the time October rolls around, honest to goodness, you're going to have the brightest, most beautiful porcelain skin. And you know, Melissa, we started this by talking about Asian women. And they truly are known for having that porcelain appearance to their skin. And that's where really this product comes in.
Right. This is the oh my gosh beyond product as far as luminosity is concerned. Shiseido has been doing brightening for over 140 years. We know brightening. We understand brightening. Everyone is on our bandwagon right now because it's the buzz, it's the rage right now. This serum is chock full of brightening ingredients, exclusive ingredients called the 4-MSK, the tranexamic spot deactive complex. It works directly on the discoloration. It is this beautiful, lightweight texture. A little goes a long way with all of our Shiseido products practically. This luminous glow, this is the kind of glow that you get with continued use. You know that perfect light at sunset when they say it's the perfect time to take your picture and you have the most beautiful glow going on at that time? This is the glow that you will have using this serum on a continuous basis. It's absolutely exquisite. It has full, beautiful ingredients in there that work directly on the discoloration, that work on giving that luminosity, that radiance, that glow, that youthful appearance, working directly on discoloration and dark spots. So you're going to see luminosity beyond with this product.
And it's only about $1 a day for the next 4 months for you to order this and get this home and start using it immediately with free shipping and handling. You know, this is the time of year where I'm afraid to say, myself included, we wreck our skin. We have the best intentions, but if you are going to make a commitment and an impact in brightening your skin, by all means, do it right now and start using this right away and use an SPF on top of it. You do not have to walk out of summer on Labor Day weekend and look at your skin after kids go back to school and say, oh my God, what happened?
Right.
You don't have to do that. You have the #1 selling brand in the world in the prestige market when it comes to brightening. You have them right here. This is their best seller, and it is your chance to pick it up. Now, I will tell you, I'm very candid with you with what I do use and what I don't use and what, I buy and what I don't buy. And I will tell you, honestly, I was telling Melissa this, that, I started using it, and, I almost think like after day 2, it's psychosomatic. I'm looking in the mirror going, I really do think my skin looks better. But then, you think like you're imagining things. It's like, oh, it's psychosomatic. I'm using something new, so I just think my skin looks better. Fast forward 5 days later, and before I left for work this morning, I go to work with absolutely no makeup on, and my husband looks at me and he goes, I don't know why you don't go on the air with no makeup at all. He goes, you look so much better without any foundation. He says, your skin looks beautiful. And I'm like, it is working. Because I said it before, Melissa and I were joking about it earlier. Give me a wrinkle.
Right.
They're going to happen. But brightening, I can have complete control over.
Right, it gives you youthfulness. And we have been doing this for 140 years now. We had this oh my gosh product, this serum product that has incredible ingredients that are exclusive to Shiseido. 4-MSK, the tranexamic, and spot deactive complex that work directly on discoloration and the dullness. It is a lightweight serum. A little goes a very long way, but at the same time, providing complete hydration. And we do have these great statistics to show you. After 2 weeks, so really in 2 weeks, you're really going to see the dullness be lifted, the dullness be reduced. After 4 weeks, And after 8 weeks, about 86% of our customers skin became more radiant. I'm not going to lie to you. You're not going to see it necessarily overnight. But give me 2 weeks and you will see dullness improve dramatically on the skin.
And let's
Look at
walk
this.
through these.
Right
okay,
here.
this is twice a day,
twice a day
4
for a month.
weeks.
Yep.
This is our 4-week Shiseido challenge. Walk me through these results.
Okay, so look, we have our young lady here before and after, and you can really just see all over her face just the glow that's happening along the cheek area, along the chin area, right along the sides. Look at her, the side angle of her face, the beautiful.
Let's go to the next one, Dustin, if we can, because that
one is the oh wow.
Shows you absolutely everything. Her skin looks brighter. And Melissa, I already know the answer to this, but she's got no makeup on her skin whatsoever.
No.
There's no concealers. There's nothing.
No.
Do you see how bright she looks?
Yeah. Just amazing. I mean, you can see, once again, really the dullness on the left. You can see that dullness. And on the right, it is glowing. It is radiant. There's that luminosity happening for her on the right-hand side. Beautiful. And over here on the other side of her face, once again, you can see how clear her skin has become after one use. And looking at our next young lady here, once again, you can just see the radiance over all of her skin, the dullness before and then afterwards, just along that cheek area.
So let's talk about her for a minute.
Sure.
Because you know what? You look at this young lady and you think, she looks kind of good to me in the before. Imagine taking good skin and perfecting it.
Right. And you can see, I mean, you're right. She looks beautiful before, but on the after, her forehead, the cheek area, there's much more clarity to the skin, much more youthfulness around that radiance, that glow is happening for her. And if you look at the cheeks on the side, you can see, once again, there's just that smoothness, that clarity, that luminosity that happens from before and after. Went all along the side of her face.
Amazing.
This is a great shot here, too, as well.
Yep. Wait till you see the next one.
Yes, you can
Look
really
at that cheek. Look at underneath the cheekbone, close into the side of her mouth. What a difference this can make. Girls, we have about 700 of these remaining with everyone who's on the phone lines. Wait until you see our next before and after.
Yes.
Because you may find yourself in this woman, and you might say, there's nothing I can do.
Right.
But there is.
Yeah, I mean, and this is a great example. It's just, she's, you know, a little bit more mature, but if you look at the afterwards, you can see using the brightening serum for about a month, the clarity in her skin, she looks younger.
She does.
She looks younger, and she looks terrific. And look at this, the cheek looks phenomenal. Yeah, before and after, you can really see the difference using the brightening serum and how bright and radiant and her cheek area looks. All along the side of her face, looks terrific.
Well, we already have over 250 of these ordered. It's just over $1 a day for the next month for you to try this for 30 days. And again, this is the if you're just joining us, this is the #1 selling product of all Shiseido products worldwide. This is their #1 bestseller. And Shiseido has been focusing on the brightness of the skin, a porcelain look to your skin for over 140 years. They've been doing this long before everybody else in the last couple of years caught up to Shiseido. They are now on Shiseido's bandwagon, as Melissa so rightly pointed out. Your opportunity to go to the best, to go to the source, to go to the people who really have cornered the market on brightening and make your skin look better. And you can do it for $31 and change right now. If you order right now, HSN will pay for the shipping and handling. We'll get it out to you in about a week or so. This is $125 free shipping, but it is on 4 flexible payments. So let's just address the price for a minute.
Right.
Because there is a reason why serums are, when they're good, are the most expensive item in a skincare lineup. And why is that?
This serum in the Shiseido lineup of skincare, it is the most concentrated in ingredients that we have in the entire white lucent category. It is the most effective. It is the most efficient as far as radiance, glowing of the skin. There's 3 key brightening ingredients here. An exclusive ingredient called 4-MSK, another ingredient called trinexamic, and the spot deactic complex that work directly on the discoloration, giving you that luminosity, that radiance, that beautiful, youthful-looking skin. You know, as you said, Diana, you can care less about a wrinkle, but if you have brightness on the skin, it gives you that youthful appearance.
You know what I love, too, is this, I really feel like this whole lineup from Shiseido has kind of given me confidence back in a way, and I mean that from saying that I can control the brightness of my skin. that's something that you really can make it look better. You can actually do something about it, and Shiseido has proven themselves. I mean, listen, if you're interested in the discoloration and brightening up the look of your skin, making it look porcelain, Shiseido's proven themselves. Every other company wants what Shiseido has. They've proven themselves. So if you want to go to the gold standard, if you want to go to the leaders in the category of skincare in terms of brightening the look of your skin, this is where you go. You spend a little more. We make it affordable, though. It's just over $1 a day. But you get the gold standard. You go to the top of the line. Sometimes my mother always says to me, you buy once or you buy often. And so you may as well just buy once and dive in and get the right thing. But the bottom line is, with wrinkles, we will get wrinkles. And yes, we can make an impact in the way that they look. We can look younger. We can look better. But brightness is something you can control. You do not have to have dull skin. You just don't have to do it. And this is the way for you to go. We're going to show you those numbers again. We're going to show you the study again.
Please, yes.
Because I think this, to me, is so important. And really, Melissa, go through this for me.
Yes, this is after 2 weeks. Just give me 2 weeks and you will see dullness improve in the skin. This takes a lifetime to get the discoloration, but 2 weeks will be really, you'll see an improvement in the dullness in the skin. After the 4 weeks, you see improvement of radiance. 8 weeks, this is 2 months now, the skin becomes even more radiant. After 12 weeks, dark spots were visibly reduced.
Stay right there, Dustin, for a minute. Dark spots were visibly reduced after 12 weeks.
It's a commitment product.
And if you know you're going to have spots by the end of summer, I know I will, I'm not worrying about it. I'm not worrying about it for the first time. I am not going to worry about it. I'm going to go 12 weeks, and I'm going to look better just like these women. I hope so. I know so.
No, yeah, and you can just really see the before and after speak to themselves. They speak volumes as far as the before. They've all looked beautiful before. Really, they do. But the improvement after using it for just a month, twice a day, you can really see overall clarity. Overall luminosity, overall radiance, and, you know, as you so beautifully put it, it just feels youthful, and it just gives you that youth back. And you can control this, just exactly as you said, Dinah. You can control how youthful you look and the color of your skin. It really works on the discoloration. The radiance comes back.
And let's talk about the fact that this is called White Lucent. We're talking about brightening.
Right.
This is not, I just want to underscore this point for a minute. Melissa, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
You're not going to whiten my skin.
No, not at all.
Okay, so this is not whitening at all. We don't want you to misconstrue the fact that it says White Lucent. This is not whitening, this is brightening.
Brightening. Oh, beyond brightening, luminosity, glowing alabaster, that poreless-like, porcelain-like, beautiful glowing skin that we all want to have and desire. And you can have it with the spot targeting serum 2 times a day, full of concentrated ingredients, 4-MSK, Trinexamet, Spock Deoxycompass. We have been doing this for 140 years. We know it. We get it. Our very first product was a brightening product, and you can just see the clarity in my hands. Oops, I'm sorry. There we go.
Don't worry, it happens to me all the time, and I've been here 10 years.
You can see just the luminosity by using this. Yeah.
It's right away.
I mean, amazing. The radiance just comes back instantly.
Okay, 300 of these have already been ordered. It's item number 138595. It is our showstopper for the hour. And I know that when your skin looks brighter, when those dark spots, after 12 weeks, you saw it in that study, when those dark spots look visibly reduced after 12 weeks, imagine how much less foundation you're going to have to use. Do you have those dark spots on your face and you don't even know what to do with them anymore? You're like, there's no makeup that can even cover it. Imagine if you can get to the root of the problem and really start to control the look of those dark spots after 12 weeks. If you can imagine after 4 weeks your skin looking brighter. Imagine walking out of summer, Labor Day weekend, and you look in the mirror and you're like, I am not completely spotted this summer. I look amazing. This is a good feeling. And for just $31.25 to get this home, this is the #1 selling product from Shiseido worldwide. And this is why over 300 have been ordered just in this airing alone. It's 138595. If you are just tuning in, let's talk a little bit more again about that ingredient deck. This is an ingredient deck that's exclusive to Shiseido.
You're right, Diana. We have 3 key ingredients. The 4-MSK, exclusive ingredient to Shiseido, the Trinexamet ingredient, and also a spot Deactive Complex. Just the name itself kind of says it all about what it does. Works on the discoloration, works on the dullness of the skin, gives you that luminous glow, that radiant glow, helps to correct any discoloration, helps to minimize it at the same time, provide this hydration to your skin. You can see instantly when you put it on, just that glow that happens on the face. The statistics are terrific.
Yep.
I guess it's going to be about 2 weeks, really, that you see a really big visible improvement, but 12 weeks, dark spots are visibly reduced.
And let's show you that again, if we can, because we've got results for you 4, 8, 12 weeks. So after 4 weeks, you are already after 2 weeks, actually.
Dullness is reduced,
and
right.
79% of people reported that 4 weeks, they reported uneven skin tone was reduced.
Right.
And then over time, the results become even more visible.
Right.
After 8 weeks, 86% reported skin became more radiant. After 12 weeks, 81% reported that, and I quote, dark spots were visibly reduced. Imagine the dark spots on your skin looking less and less and less dark. Look at these results. 4 weeks, 2 times a day. Yours is here. It's item number 138595. Over 300 of these have already been ordered. We have, with everyone who's on the phone lines now, fewer than 700 of these to go around. It is the #1 selling product from Shiseido. Again, this is what I have been using. I just think it is extraordinary, frankly, at how your skin feels the moment you start using it, and that you do start seeing results, and your skin does have a luminosity and a brightness right away. I can't wait for 12 weeks.
I know.
And this is great. It's on 4 flexible payments. Don't forget that the eye treatment is also still available, and that's 137620. We'll get you all of the updates on these items, but first we're going to check in with Marlo, who I know is coming up next. Hey, girl.